Ever notice your dog yawns right after you do? It's not just copying you. It's proof your pup has a wild emotional secret. Smash that like and subscribe if your dog ever copies you. And comment your reaction. Let's decode their mind together. Yawning in dogs is contagious. But here's the kicker. They only mimic people they trust. Studies show dogs yawn more around their owners than strangers. That means your dog's not bored. They're emotionally syncing with you. It's a rare sign of empathy. One of the closest bonds between human and animal in nature.